Is this groundnut soup not making you to have mouth-gasm? Stay tuned and let's prepare this soup together. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are so amazing. And if you are stopping by for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing, enable notifications so that you will be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes guys, today we'll be cooking groundnut soup. And this recipe is a simple recipe and the end result tastes so good. I bet you your family will love and enjoy it. So guys, let me quickly introduce you to the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this groundnut soup. So let's get right into the video. I've already cooked the meat and the fish I will be using, and here is my groundnut already blended. I blended this myself with the skin. This is how it was looking when I bought it before I blended it with the skin. You can buy already blended one, okay? Here I have cow tail, my stockfish and my dry fish. And here is my salt. I will be using frozen spinach, but you can use any fresh vegetable of your choice. Here is my scent leaf, my onion, my ogiri okpeyi. I have my nut cube and some seasoning powder. Here is my dry pepper. You can use fresh pepper. Here is my palm oil. Over here is my ehuru, African nutmeg, and Uziza, that's the cubeb seed. And here is my crayfish. So guys, let's get right into the cooking. So the first thing I will be doing is to heat up my palm oil. Groundnut soup doesn't require too much oil because groundnut itself contains a lot of oil. Please, if you are watching up to this extent, remember to give this video a thumbs up, share out the video, and also leave your comments below. Once the oil is hot, I will add some of my diced onion. I will keep the other one for later use. Then I will stir and saute this for a minute till it's translucent. Once the onion is well fried, I will introduce my blended groundnut. Remember, you can buy blended groundnut in any African shop around you. Though I bought fresh groundnut and I blended it myself because I don't trust all these powdered food. Stir and fry for at least 3 minutes. And once it is well fried, I will be adding my meat stock. Groundnut soup takes a lot of water, so I will still add water to this. But first of all, I will give it a stir to make sure it's not burning. And I will use my eyes to gauge the amount of water I will add. As this cooking is thickening up and I've been adding water, I've added water like 3 more times now. I think I've gotten the consistency that I needed, but time will tell because it might still thicken up. Okay guys, I'm adding another water now. I think it's still a bit thick for me. Just adjust the consistency as you want, okay? Now we can start adding the spices. And the first thing I will be introducing is my seasoning powder and my nut cube. That's my bouillon. Then after that, I will be adding my ogiri okpeyi. This is local seasoning. I forgot to blend it with my crayfish, so I'll be crushing it like this. Then once I'm done adding my ogiri okpeyi, if you don't have ogiri okpeyi, you can skip this, okay? It's optional. Once I'm done adding it, I will add my dry pepper. You can use fresh pepper as well if that's what you have. The next thing that will be going inside my pot is my crayfish. Now I can add the remaining diced onion. And I will follow it up with the remaining local spices. Here I have my ehuru, that's African nutmeg, and Uziza, that is cubeb seed. Then after adding it, I will stir very well. Then once I'm done stirring and combining everything together, I will add my salt. Just add salt to your taste. Now I will be introducing my meat and my fish. Now I can give this a stir and test for salt. Once I confirm the taste is okay, I will cover and start cooking this. I cooked this for a total of 5 minutes, and as it was cooking, it thickened up a bit and I added a little bit of water. Right now I'll be adding my scent leaf. Guys, this scent leaf will take this groundnut soup to another level. I'll be adding my fresh and my frozen spinach. If you don't have spinach, an alternative to this is your pumpkin leaf, okay? You can use pumpkin leaf, you can use fresh or taze. Then give this a stir and cover your pot again and cook for another 3 minutes till you start seeing oil settle at the top. Then your groundnut soup is ready. And if you have been watching up to this extent, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Also share out the video to your family, your friends and your colleagues. As you can see, my groundnut soup is ready. The oil is out now. The oil has started settling at the top of the soup. So I will give this my final stir, and if you watch out very well, you will see that my spinach is still green. I did not overcook the vegetable. So I will stir and I will dish this out. And you can eat this groundnut soup with any swallow of your choice, be it low carb swallow, be it fufu, be it garri. You can even eat this with your rice, with your yam. And that is it for today's video. Bye and see you in my next one.